applause. Yes, indeed, indeed. Yes, we're coming to the end of the program and we are very, very happy to have here in our midst the presence of Shrimati R.M. Gopa IAS, Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District. We are very honored to have you, ma'am, here with us today as our chief guest. Everyone, let's shout out loud and say hi to Madam. Warm welcome, Madam, to our program. Yes, let's clap for the boys that are welcoming Madam, the traditional. Thank you. This is really wonderful seeing our youth welcoming our guests and performing a short musical instrument. You can all have a seat.
Thơm cái hấp chân.